Today, we wrap up our car care series with master mechanic and industry expert Bogi, who's been teaching women for over 20 years, including me. And now we're going to do it ourselves because we can. Welcome back.
Thank you for having me again.
What are we doing today? I've learned so much.
I'm so glad. I mean, the best way that you can save time and money is by doing preventative maintenance. And women, we're generally taught, stay away from cars, they're big and scary, don't get involved. But so much is so easy. So the best way to stay off the side of the road and on the road, save yourself time and money, is preventative maintenance. Today we're talking about emissions. About 70% of the states require that you bring your car through emissions testing. And a lot of times cars are failing because their system is just worn and old and tired. So rather than going in and paying costly repairs, this is a really great thing to try first. This is CRC's Guaranteed to Pass. It is emissions system cleaner. It's so simple to use. It clears out your entire fuel system, your entire emission system. Now, obviously, it's not magic in a bottle. There's definitely some things that you need to go to the car doctor for.
Of course.
But there are a ton of things that this can resolve without spending tons of money. So it's totally worth a try. I'm gonna put on some gloves, make sure we're safe.
Okay, which is very important.
Some safety glasses as well.
All right, there you go.
Why, thank you. You're gonna put some on too?
I
They're
guess,
so fashionable.
You know what? Let me just partake with you.
Look how good we look. All right, so for all of the great benefit that you get out of this, it is so easy. We're gonna open up our gas door.
Okay.
We're gonna open this up and we're gonna pull out this lovely bottle. Open up the cap. It does have a little foil top to it. You wanna be careful that you don't have any pieces of that foil that then get lost in the fuel tank.
So just push it in.
Yeah, push the whole thing in, or you can just pull it right out and then it won't fall in.
Very easy.
Okay, now you ready for this complexity? This is the challenging part right here. All right, literally all we're gonna do is put it in.
And what is that gonna do for my baby here?
So this is gonna now run through your fuel system, which is then gonna run through your engine and through your exhaust system. So it's cleaning everything along the way and helps restore all of that natural performance. You get back your fuel efficiency, you get back your responsiveness to your gas pedal, you clear some of those pesky check engine lights. So all of the fluid is in there. We can take our bottle up. We might spill a little bit, so have a rag by to clean up your mess.
So we're done.
We're done. That was it.
You know, Bogi, I was reading here, CRC was born in a Pennsylvania garage back in 1958. That's a long time ago.
I know.
It's now a global company, wow, making thousands of products that are trusted by industrial maintenance professionals, vehicle technicians, and even DIY enthusiasts.
The very products that I use in my shop, you can use, and kind of helps you keep your car happy and healthy.
So I'm really allowed to clean under my hood?
Yes, absolutely. Nothing bad is gonna happen. You 100% can. Now, I don't necessarily always recommend it personally because I find that as a technician, if you have an oil leak, I like to use the trails of the oil as a diagnostic tool to find where your leak is. But if your engine is healthy and happy and you wanna keep the engine compartment clean, we have this great product. CRC makes a heavy-duty pro-strength degreaser. I use it in my shop for engines that are way dirtier in this.
So can you show me how it works and how easy it is?
It is so simple to use. I'm just gonna put gloves and glasses on. We always wanna be on the safe side.
Absolutely, that makes sense.
It is nice to know that while we can use this on really grimy, dirty, gross situations, you can also use it on, say, if you have rubber floor mats, it's safe on paint, it's safe on pretty much everything. It can handle the worst of things and it can handle really mild stuff like what we've got here. So literally, take the cap off. All you do is take it, spray it. If it's really gross, let it sit on there for a little bit. The bubbles will start to go away. And then all you do, wipe it up.
And that really makes a difference for the car, its maintenance, and just keeping it healthy.
Preventative maintenance is always cheaper than repair. There's so many great products that CRC makes. They're the same quality of products I use at my shop. They're easily accessible for you.
So for our viewers out there and our ladies out there who'd like to DIY, where can they go?
All right, so you can pick up any of the CRC products at your local Napa Auto Parts store or any auto parts retailer. You can check out CRC's website as well to check out more information about these products and all of the rest of the great products they have as well. And there's a little button you can find where to buy where you live.
Too easy. Thank you so much. You've been fantastic. And of course, if you'd like more information, just check out our website, thebalancingAct.com. I gotta take this.